Anybody wanting any seeds for their garden, I'd advise them to go. I went to Wilco or Wilkinson's, it gets called both actually, and I got these seeds, and as you can see, asters 25 pence, marigolds 25 pence, petunias 50 pence, sweet william 50 pence, and I think these are giant marigolds 50 pence. And the vegetables I got greyhound cabbage, that's the cone shaped. I preferred the round Dutch, but they didn't have any, so I thought that one will do. All year round lettuce, Globe Detroit beetroot, carrots 25 pence, and you can see that the cabbage was 50 pence, the lettuce was 50 pence, the beetroot 50 pence, the carrots are 25 pence, and here was a packet of Onward peas, which I've used before and they're very good, and it cost me £1, and it's quite heavy, so there's quite a lot in. And I wasn't going to bother doing anything in my garden because for the last few years I've had rabbits coming in, but they seem to have disappeared lately. So I'm going to start planting things in the garden again and see what happens. But I've never seen these seeds as cheap as what they are in Wilco's. I mean, I went into B&M stores the other day looking for the same things before I decided to go to Wilco, and they were the Fotheringills packets. That was all they had, and I looked up similar packets to what I've got here, and I think there was a packet of pansies. I think were about £3.75. I don't think there was anything under £2. There might have been £1.50. I think there was lettuce might have been £1.50. I'm not sure, but there was nothing under that price, and it would have cost me a fortune. And I've got all these for under £5. So, if any don't know whether it's because of what's happening at the moment, whether they're selling the seeds cheaper, because obviously there'll not be as many people going around the shops looking for things like this as there was before. But that could be the reason. They could be selling cheaper, or whether they're this price normally. But I don't think I've ever gotten them for this price before, because I bought them from Wilco before. So if anybody wants a good bargain, they're looking for seeds, get yourself away to Wilco. This my Wilco's in Killingworth up near Newcastle. So wherever you live, you're bound to have one in your area. So I'd recommend you going there. I'm going to go and get some more, because I didn't really know what I wanted when I went. I just went looking for 1 or 2 flower seeds, and when I seen all the seeds that were going very cheap, I just picked a few up. So I'm going to have another look, another forage around, and see what else I can get. Those food containers come in very handy. I had quite a lot of them, so I've put the seeds that I bought today into them too, and I'm going to put them on the bench in my outhouse now until the shoots start coming through. That's a little patch of 6 foot by 6 foot I've just dug over, and I've planted a row of carrots, a row of beetroot, and a row of lettuce. And I've still got a lot of seeds left. So what I paid for those seeds was very reasonable. Just got to water the rows now, and that's it. So if you like my little video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.